car and sit down, bro.
No, where's the fun at? Bye. I'm about to see something quick.
Hey, I think, hey, this prank, she mad as fuck, though. Why is she so mad? Look at her, y'all. Who's she on the phone with? What's she on the phone? You mad for what?
Stop recording me. I'm not playing with you like that.
Come back, bro.
I'm not to be playing like this.
It's a prank.
Like 90 degrees outside. You want to be playing and some more stuff. Like, stop playing. Get that stupid shit out my face.
No one can stop me, I feel like the greatest. Don't say be humble, I patiently waited. All of this love and I ain't even made it. I got a plan for them niggas that hate it.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Haarrrold, and today I'm back with another video, y'all. In today's video, I'm gonna be picking up my friend, right? We're gonna be driving around, chilling and shit, and then out of nowhere, I'm gonna stop the whip, and I'm gonna be like, damn, bro, the car won't start. I'm gonna tell her like, damn, bro, the car won't start. I'm gonna try to get her a reaction. I'm gonna see how she react. I'm gonna say we stuck in the middle of nowhere. So y'all already know, if y'all like this video, I'm gonna need you to drop a like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on my post notifications. Look, I'm finna get hit by a car right now. That's tough, but hey, y'all, don't worry about it. Hey, I ain't got no haircut. My barber been out of town, man. I ain't going to nobody else. They ain't finna fuck my head up. Gang. Oh my God, bro. There's something wrong with the car. It ain't starting, bro. And we stuck in the middle of nowhere, bro. What the
fuck you doing?
You just sitting there eating. I didn't do anything, bro. The car ain't. Why you still got your seatbelt on, bro? The car ain't even working.
For real?
The car not strong.
Bro, how do you...
I thought I put hella gas in here before I came to pick you up. No, see my shit on E, bro.
You don't even know how to fucking operate a car, let alone put some gas in it.
I'm mad as fuck, bro. And you sitting there eating and shit like this cool. We stuck. And you sitting here eating.
Look, what you here? Did you like...
I'm getting disappointed, bro. Did I what?
Did you like start it? Did you put your, you know, foot on the brake?
Yeah, I did, bro.
Here.
Why you trying to look?
Who are you talking to? Like, I'm trying to help you out, like...
Because we stuck in the middle of nowhere, bro. And the car not starting up. What you mean?
If anything, you need to get this car together. Something.
You stuck too. What you mean? I'm stuck. Like, come on now, bro. I can't go nowhere, bro. And ain't nobody. Look, we in the middle of nowhere, bro.
Like,
we in the middle of nowhere, bro.
So do you like not know how to turn on the car?
Bro, it's not coming on though.
Get out and look under the hood. Just pop the hood or something. Don't get hit.
I'm gonna just look under the car, bro. I'm not about to get hit, bro.
This is why I don't do these videos, shit, because.
Say what?
Come on, like.
What did you say?
Go check this out. This is like you tripping. Like what?
It's not funny, bro. Keep us out.
So like, do you not know how to, you know, maneuver or operate a car? So you geeking to do the little video and motherfuckers don't know how to put no gas in this car. That's wild.
Shut up. Get back in the car.
You get in the car. What are you saying?
Damn, bro. You always, bro.
Get your shit.
See, we supposed to be vlogging all that today, bro. Okay. Now we got to get this bullshit.
But listen here. Just because you didn't want to, you know, put no gas in the car.
I thought I put gas in here, bro. It's not my fault, bro. So what are we supposed to do? Like, what you going to do? You going to walk?
Man,
or call somebody? Goddamn, here. Call somebody. Damn, we stuck.
No, if anything, like, let me see if somebody's going to answer it. Because you get the tripping.
Oh, my God, bro. Call somebody. Damn, man.
Hello?
I'm about to smoke, man. I'm fucking disappointed.
Put my shit down. Put my, like, what? Hello?
Tell them we stuck, bro.
Watch out now. Okay. Yeah, where you at?
Tell them we stuck, bro. You might as well just walk. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Where you at?
You might as well just walk, bro.
Oh, yeah. Okay, bye.
Walk, bro.
Oh, yeah.
What they say?
Shit, I don't know what you finna do, but I'm about to get up out of here.
So you gonna leave me, bro?
Yeah, what are you saying? Like, you act like you don't know how to put no gas in your car.
I thought I did, bro. I don't know.
You
Where you going? Where you going?
First of all, hold on. Do I got all my shit? Because I'm not even about to play with you. Like, for real here, like, this is stupid.
Bro, sit back down.
No, you.
I just popped the hood, bro. You don't even know what you're doing.
Harold, shut the fuck up talking to me. Shut up.
Bro, why you getting mad at me?
You doing hella dumb shit.
Hey, I'm getting her ass, yeah. You getting mad at me and shit. Why you getting mad at me? Cause my car won't start. You getting mad at me, bro.
You don't know what the fuck you're doing.
And you supposed to know what you doing, bro?
I'm about to know something better than you, like.
Oh my God, bro. Fucking whip won't start, y'all. Get back in, bro. Somebody gonna stop. Or just stand out there. She might as well have her hand out the window, y'all. Have your hand up.
Give me the phone. Where's the phone at?
Wait.
Where's the phone?
Bro, get in the car and sit down, bro.
No, where's the phone at? Bye. I'm about to see something quick.
Hey, y'all, I think, hey, this prank, she mad as fuck, though. Why is she so mad? Look at her, y'all. Who is she on the phone with? Who is she on the phone? You mad for what?
Stop recording me. I'm not playing with you like that.
Bro, what is she mad for? Because we got broke down? We got broke down. Now she, okay.
What? Hold
You
on.
broke down, so now you mad at me for what?
So,
Bro, what are you mad for? Sit down.
you just hella extra shit. Like, this is not.
Bro, I told you I need
It's
to
how
put
to
in.
suck, like. No.
I'll turn on the air, bro. You getting mad at me because of what? Why are you mad at me?
You were like the fact that we're still recording, like. The fuck?
Because it's a vlog.
This
And you
dumb
getting
shit.
mad over what? Because we stuck?
No, because you get the tripping, like.
Because I'm getting her tripping. So who did you
getting
call, bro?
tripping. Don't worry about it, because when I leave, just know I'm out of here, like.
And you gonna
I'm
leave me
out.
here, so you ain't gonna bring me no gas back?
No, fuck.
All
You
right,
should
then.
have been
I
responsible.
see how it is. I see how it is, then. I see how it is.
Like,
you getting mad at
first
me.
of all, you was arguing with me before we even got in this little, car, so.
Okay, my car little. And what?
Like, no.
You getting mad at me for what, though?
Because how do you not know how to put gas in? First of all, you don't know how to maneuver a car, like.
Okay, and bro, I'm learning.
I
Okay,
damn near,
I
like,
did-
really walk out every day.
So you gonna walk out on me?
I'll walk
okay,
home.
I see.
I'll, go home.
I see
let
what
5 minutes
I see what her
away.
loyalty is, man. I see what her
The
loyalty
loyalty is here,
I see
but
where
you
it
don't
is,
know how
man.
to.
Yo, it's down here, bro. It's supposed to.
No, it's up here.
No,
but
it's
you,
down here.
But you pissed me off to down here. Okay, so that's what's going on. So
What did you call, bro? Who was you out there talking shit? Like you was talking shit about me?
anybody
'Cause
that
I ain't
talk
put-
shit, like what? Like I said,
Yo, this is how the vlog turned out to be, bro. The
This
car
ain't no
won't start.
vlog. You just did
The
none
car
of
won't
that.
start. Like the air on though, but hey, man, I don't know, bro. It's like this shit is pissing me off, bro.
Nah, your car's stupid as fuck. That's what the fuck going on.
I don't care, cause my car is stupid. Like
Yeah,
you getting mad
it
at
is
me because of my
stupid.
car is stupid. All right, remember that though.
No, you remember that.
My car is
Cause
stupid.
it's
So
the
you,
last time I'm getting in this car.
I don't care. I'm looking for somebody that can help us. Let me look. I'm looking right now.
Look at my and like no.
Who did you call? You didn't call nobody to come rescue us.
I called somebody to come get me because you pissed me off. Now when I go get my car,
Can you
I'm
come
not
back?
coming against you.
Oh my God! Why? Damn!
No, you need to apologize or something from earlier because you was just talking too crazy.
I'm sorry for getting an attitude with you
Because
earlier.
you was geeking and some more shit just to then look what happened. We stuck on the side of the what?
the highway,
road.
okay?
And where?
And we in the middle of nowhere.
We in Middletown, like what? Like what is this? What do you call this?
Bro, but you getting mad at me because I got stuck, bro. It's not my fault. Where is there anybody that can help us?
No, I'm not.
Is there anybody, or do you want to walk? Since you live 5 minutes away, you can walk home.
I will walk home. Like it's not a problem.
I don't want you to walk home though, bro. I don't want you to walk home because that's gonna be like that's disrespectful. Bro, the vlog turned out bad as fuck, man. Here, call your peoples. You get an attitude with me and shit. Like I got something to do with it, bro. I ain't got nothing to do with it. Just cause I ain't put the.
Yep, I'll be walking home. So you tell me.
So you really about to walk home?
Yes, I am. Like, that's not up for the bank.
You said I told you what though?
You told me I could walk home, right?
Not
as if I'm asking you like for permission or anything. Like.
Go ahead, walk home then, bro.
Watch out, cause you're gonna be here by yourself. This is what happens when you start rushing.
Nah, bro, walk home. Just walk down the highway.
I will. Like, what? You sound dumb as hell, stupid.
You getting mad at me for no fucking reason,
you
bro.
tripping.
Damn, y'all. Hey, she finna walk home, y'all. Should I go get her? Should I go get her, y'all? And tell her it's a prank? What?
Yes.
What?
Hold on. Got my shit.
Yeah, you got all your shit, bro. Walk. Get your fucking.
Shut up.
Walk.
Are you irritated?
Hey, y'all, should I tell her it's a prank? Look, she walking. Oh. She walking. Oh, no. She's walking, bro. Hold on, I gotta stop. Hey, y'all, I gotta stop this shit. I'm already sweating, bro. Where you going? Y'all, look at her. Bruh, it's a prank, bruh. It's a prank. It's a prank, bruh. Come back, bro. It's a prank.
Like 90 degrees outside. You want to be playing with some more stuff? Like, stop playing. Get that stupid shit out my face. Come on.
All right. So now you walking back to the car? Go. Hey, y'all, that was a good ass prank, bro. If you like this video, I'm gonna need you to drop a like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on my post notifications. Y'all, look, we stuck on the side of the highway. Look, y'all, we on the side of the highway, y'all, bro. We on the side of the highway. So if y'all like this video, I'm gonna need y'all to drop a like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on my post notifications. Gang.